25 sentences using the word before.
She always washes her hands before eating.
He finished his homework before going out to play.
The sun rises before 6 a.m. during the summer.
I have to submit the report before the deadline.
The meeting will start before noon.
She had never seen the movie before last night.
He moved to the city before he got the job.
They arrived at the airport 2 hours before their flight.
I need to finish this book before the library closes.
She always meditates before starting her day.
He studied for weeks before the exam.
Before leaving the house, she checked the weather forecast.
They were friends long before they started dating. He likes to plan his day before getting out of bed.
She felt nervous before her big presentation.
I usually exercise before breakfast. They rehearsed many times before the performance.
Before buying a car, he did extensive research.
She was in a hurry to leave before the storm hit.
He double-checked his work before submitting it.
She made a grocery list before going shopping.
He always stretches before running.
The team met several times before the competition.
She packed her bags the night before the trip.
Before making a decision, he considered all the options.